Here are 23 useful German verbs in 2 minutes. Nehmen, to take. Annehmen, to accept, to receive. Aufnehmen, to record, also to take someone in. Abnehmen, to lose weight. Zunehmen, to gain weight. Mitnehmen, to take with you. Wegnehmen, to take away. Zurücknehmen, to take back. Mal nehmen, to multiply. Einnehmen, to take medicine, also to capture. Hinnehmen, to put up with. Teilnehmen, to take part. Sich benehmen, to behave, to act. Sich vornehmen, to plan. Durchnehmen, to cover in class. Übernehmen, to take over. Sich übernehmen, to take on too much, to overdo it. Entnehmen, to take out, also to conclude. Unternehmen, to undertake, to do something. Vernehmen, to hear, to perceive, also to interrogate. Auseinandernehmen, to take apart. Übel nehmen, to hold something against someone. Sich zusammennehmen, to pull oneself together. Vorwegnehmen, to anticipate,